the channel. Today we're busting out the Harbor Freight backhoe. It's kind of tough for you to see on video, but right about here, the ground starts going up. And then goes down to the beach. So what we're gonna work on today is digging this flush straight back to that beach. Let's go take a closer look. All right, so right about here, it actually starts going uphill. So it's tough for you to get a sense of that. But you can see that it goes downhill here. Down to one day, what'll be our beach area. So we're gonna try to take off a bunch of dirt here, put it on our little trailer, and transport the dirt up there where I can use it. Let's go back uphill. Hopefully you can get kind of a good sense of that. So before we can get digging, gotta disconnect this from the truck. Obviously I've sped up the video some, but essentially you just lean it one side to the other, flip the tires around back, and put the arms in the front. It's not all that complicated. I don't know, 10-15 minutes or so, and then you're ready to rock. And then I just left that in there so you can kind of see how you spider crawl it. Then I just left this at normal speed, just so you can kind of get a sense of how fast this goes. Keep in mind, it's been about 8 months since I've operated this, so give me some leeway, kind of relearning the joysticks and everything, and relearning how you dig without it pulling you forward. So it's kind of a slow going process, but sure beats hand shoveling this. One of those things where I think the skid steer would probably be a better option, but the skid steer is a lot more expensive than this backhoe, and the backhoe is what I got to use. So obviously I sped up the video again. It's not that fast, I promise you. Just kind of gives you an idea of the project I'm working on, putting it on that little puny trailer there. Again, like I wish I had a skid steer, I wish I had a bigger trailer, but again, you go with what you got. It's a pretty decent sized area that I'm trying to dig out and move a bunch of dirt. So this is not a one-day project, and you'll see that at the end of the video. You know, this is, I don't know, probably 15-20 days. Just a guess, I don't know. Maybe I can get it done in 5 or 6. We'll wait and see. Just change angles a little bit so you can kind of see depth. Have them going. At least I had a pretty nice day out. Started out in the upper 50s and then got to about 80. The only thing that was killing me was the sun on my back. But that's one of the reasons I want My dad showed up to help. His first time operating this. It's probably 2 or 3 years since he borrowed it. So he's looking slowly on the joysticks. He's frustrated, and he's like, let's switch, otherwise we'll be here all day. Which I was kind of fine with. It was nice taking a break and just kind of manning the trailer there, backing that up whenever we need to, and just trying to keep the dirt on the trailer from falling off. But it sure was nice for him to show up and help. One, for, like I said, backing up the trailer, keeping the dirt from falling off, and then when we go to unload the trailer, that's just shoveling it off of there. So it was nice having a second set of hands. And you can see now the depth is probably about a foot I've cut out. And like I told my dad, once I get this roughly where I want it, then I'll come by with the tiller, till it all up, and actually pull an old box spring across it multiple times once it's been tilled and kind of level it out. So this is kind of up on the little bit north of the property from where we were digging. I'm going to guess about 150 yards, 200.
It'll get easier as I do this. One, I'll get better with the back.
Shoveling it over here.
I'll have less sob to deal with. Yeah.
About the only labor-intensive part of this project. Because obviously with the digging, the backhoe does all of that, but getting it off the trailer. Each trailer load, probably 10-15 minutes is what it took us to empty it out. So got some good exercise out of it at least.
And I got a good start,
Whoop! Just all fell to my dad.
Right to your head, your ankle.
Alright, I exaggerated a bit. So here, you can see the backhoe is downhill from where I'm trying to dig. And what I should have done is flip the backhoe around and had the backhoe higher and kind of dig uphill, if that makes sense. Anyway, like I said, this is a long project, so we'll catch up with you on video 2 or video 3. Have a good one.